just got to tell you.
Oh, please tell me what to do.
I don't really know how to say this, but I want to tell you that
You gave me the will to go on. As soon as I picked up the phone,
no, you don't understand, Margo. I'm trying to tell you that
talk is around that we're through.
Yeah, I know. I've heard it too.
Oh, darling, tell me what to do.
But that's just it. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I want to tell you that.
You'd tell me they were wrong. As soon as I picked up the phone.
Oh, but it is true. They're not wrong.
Oh no.
I'm sorry, Margo.
Oh no. I can't believe that it's true.
I'm sorry, Margo. I'm really, really sorry.
Oh no. Oh no. I can't believe that we're through.
I know you know that, and I never thought it would come to this.
You tell me it's over and done.
I really thought that I loved you, and you know that.
You say that you've had all your fun,
But you've just got to believe me. I never thought I would hurt you.
but I can't believe you'll
This is
be
the toughest thing I had to do. I never thought it would come to this.
As soon as I hang up the phone,
Yeah, I'll be gone.
as soon as I hang up the phone.
Goodbye, Margo.